Syncing passwords across all your devices is something many of us struggle with, but it doesn't have to be difficult. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to sync passwords across all your devices effortlessly and securely. You'll want to stay until the end because I'll share the easiest method, and I'll even give you access to an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using. The first step is to choose the right software. There are plenty of options out there, but I've tested the most popular ones, and this software stands out for its simplicity and reliability. You'll find the link to the free trial in the description below, so you can follow along if you want to. Once you've signed up and installed the software, you'll want to log into your account on your first device. Make sure to enable syncing in the software settings. Most of the time, syncing will be enabled by default, but it's good to double check. After logging in, the software will ask if you want to add all your saved passwords to the vault. If you've already got passwords saved in your browser or elsewhere, the software will automatically pull them in for you. This step is key because it sets the foundation for syncing your passwords across all your devices. Now, for the syncing itself. Once your passwords are in the vault, simply install the software on your other devices, whether it's your phone, tablet, or even another computer. Once installed, log in with the same account you used on your first device. The syncing should happen automatically once you're logged in. Depending on the software, you might see a Sync Now option, but in most cases, it should sync in real time as long as you're connected to the internet. One important thing to remember: make sure you're using a strong master password to protect all your data. A master password is like the key to your password vault, so you want it to be something complex and secure. Now, let's go over the key takeaway. Syncing passwords across all your devices is all about using the right software, setting up syncing correctly, and ensuring your passwords are safely stored in one place. The software we're using makes it easy to do all of this without a hassle. To recap: 1. Choose the right software and sign up. 2. Add your saved passwords to the vault. 3. Install the software on all your devices and log in. 4. Let the software sync your passwords automatically. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial using the link in the description to follow along. This will help you sync passwords across all your devices without any headaches. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more quick tutorials.